The Google Pixel 9 Pro is one of the 2024 phones everyone is curious about. Now, thanks to a bunch of leaked photos, we have our first hands-on look at Google's upcoming flagship. So before we proceed, hit that like and subscribe button in case you forget later. So without further ado, let's dive into these leaked live images of the upcoming flagship from Google. As we know, Google is getting ready to reveal some exciting new smartphones in October during its yearly hardware showcase. Sources suggest that we might see not just one, but 3 new phones: the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL. And there's a surprise addition to the lineup, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, formerly known as the Pixel Fold 2. Leaked images of the Pixel 9 Pro have surfaced online, giving us a sneak peek at what to expect. In one of the images, the Pixel 9 Pro is shown side by side with an iPhone 15 Pro Max, offering a glimpse at their size comparison. Wondering about the size differences among the Pixel models? Well, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to be similar in size to its predecessor, the Pixel 8 Pro. On the other hand, the Pixel 9 Pro is likely to share dimensions with the standard Pixel 9, but with additional Pro features like the advanced periscope telephoto rear camera. In terms of specs, the Pixel 9 Pro packs some serious power. It boasts the Tensor G4 chipset and a whopping 16 GB of RAM, courtesy of Micron. That's 4 GB more than its predecessor. Plus, the UFS storage is provided by Samsung. Rumor has it that the Pixel 9 series will also feature Samsung's Exynos modem 5400, offering support for satellite connectivity. One of the most talked about changes in the Pixel 9 Pro is its redesigned camera bump. Unlike the previous visor style, the new bump sports an oval shape and doesn't extend all the way to the edges. Additionally, the metal part near the LED flash is larger this time. The Pixel 9 Pro also flaunts a sleek, flat, polished frame. We have also got images of the back cover of Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro. Have a look. Excitement is building up for Google's upcoming hardware event, where we'll get to see these new Pixel devices in all their glory. Stay tuned for more updates by subscribing to our channel. So what are your thoughts about these leaked images of the Pixel 9 series? Are you excited about the device? Let us know in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.